Alright, y'all. I think I've found the issue with this Hoover, and as we can kind of see down in there, two of the cooling fan blades have officially broken off. So, yeah, this is gonna have to be replaced. Um, I don't know if I have another cooling fan. I probably have a parts motor somewhere that I can use the cooling fan out of. So, yeah, this one's gonna have to be put aside for a while. So, yeah, if like I said, if anyone wants to see this when it's repaired, definitely subscribe and turn on notifications to be notified when this thing is repaired. And as soon as it happens, then we will definitely clean some carpets with this. So, until next time, everyone.